And moving on to the unfortunate news that came in from the valley, 5 soldiers were martyred in a terror attack. The vehicle that was ambushed by the terrorists yesterday at around 3:30 p.m. When this convoy, which carried our army jawans, was ambushed by these terrorists. Approximately 1550 kilometers from Katwa, the terrorists fled into the forest, and reinforcements were thereby dispatched. But tragic that 5 of our jawans lost their lives after this vehicle was ambushed by the terrorists. Let's go across to Arawat. He's joining us from Katwa. Arawat, this incident, as we understand, happened approximately 150 kilometers from Katwa. But significant to also add here that this is the second incident to have happened, second terror attack, so as to say, in Katwa in the last few weeks.
Yeah, absolutely, Samiksha. We have seen recently in the numerous of attacks in the Jammu region, in fact also in the Kashmir Valley. But this time, terrorists has attacked the security forces in the Katwa area, in which 5 jawans martyred so far, and the 5 other jawans are hospitalized so far. The massive coordinated search operation is still going on in the entire area. Yesterday, the security forces and other special forces launched the massive search operation after the ambush that was laid by the terrorists in the Katwa area in the Jammu region, which is going on. We have also learned from our sources that the Jaish-e-Mohammed is behind this attack that took place yesterday, in which the 5 brave soldiers martyred in this ongoing operation. We have also learned that these terrorists threw the hand grenade on the army vehicle. After that, they start firing multiple rounds on the army vehicle. We have accessed also the other things of the attack, in fact visuals from the spot where this attack took place. Also, we have also learned from our sources that the Jaish-e-Mohammed is behind this attack also, and these terrorists who attacked the army convoy, they fled to the forest areas where the massive search operation is going on. Drone surveillance and the sniffer dogs have also been pressed into the services where the massive search operation is going on, and other 5 jawans who are injured have been hospitalized, and the treatment of these jawans is going on in the nearby hospital. And also senior officials from the Jammu and Kashmir Police and Indian Army are monitoring the operation very closely to get any success of the terrorists who are involved in that. Yeah, Samiksha.
Yes, Arawat, stay with us. Just a quick follow-up question. Do you see a striking similarity to the other attack which happened in the same region a few weeks ago? One, and also if you can talk to us about the modus operandi of these terrorists who are believed to be from the Jaish terror group.
Absolutely, Samiksha. We have seen recently attacks in the Riyasi or the Rajouri area where these kind of attacks took place. It also indicates that local hand must be in these kind of attacks. We have seen in the Riyasi that the local hand was involved in these kind of attacks, that the army convoy which was playing on the same road. It means that the recce was done already before, when the army vehicle was coming out from that very place. That recce has been done, but this time we have already seen that the Jaish is very much active in the Jammu region. We have seen multiple attacks, but the Jaish hand was involved, and this time in which 5 brave soldiers martyred, and Jaish-e-Mohammed is again involved in these kind of attacks. We have also seen recently in the South Kashmir Kulgam, multiple operations took place in which 6 terrorists were neutralized. Yesterday, after that operation, this attack took place in the Jammu region, but the massive search operation is going on. The hunt for the terrorists is going on. Yeah, Samiksha.
Yes, Arawat, stay with us. So 5 jawans who lost their life after this vehicle was ambushed by the terrorists at around 3:30 p.m. yesterday. In fact, a lot of reactions coming in. Anger is clearly growing in wake of these back-to-back terror attacks. Listen in to the reactions.
इस प्रकार की वारदातें जब होती हैं तो दुखद विषय है। सबसे पहले तो उनके परिवारों के प्रति मैं अपनी संवेदना व्यक्त करता हूं, लेकिन इन कायरों को छोड़ा नहीं जाएगा। हमारे सुरक्षा बल, हमारी एजेंसियां जब पता लगता है तो उनको ढूंढती हैं, ढूंढ निकालती हैं, पता भी लगने के बाद, लेकिन हमारे जवान भी वीरता से लड़ते हैं उनको ख़त्म करने के लिए। उसी का परिणाम है कि 4 लोगों ने अपनी शहादत दी है। मैं उनकी शहादत को प्रणाम करता हूँ। जम्मू कश्मीर में दूर दराज के पूरे हिंदुस्तान से अपनी मातृभूमि, अपना जो सर है उसको जम्मू कश्मीर माना जाता है। जम्मू कश्मीर में फिर से व्यवस्था सुधरे, उसके लिए उनको घेरा भी गया है। मुझे लगता है कि जल्द उनको मार भी गिराया जाएगा और इस प्रकार की जो कोशिशें हैं उसको नाकामयाब बनाया जाएगा। सरकार की तरफ से भी खुला हाथ है और ज़ीरो टॉलरेंस की नीति पर काम चल रहा है।
सबसे पहले तो मैं अपने जो 4 जवान शहीद हुए हैं, मैं उनके और उनके परिवारों को श्रद्धांजलि देना चाहता हूं और भारतीय सेना को नमन करना चाहता हूं कि वो बहुत ही उम्दा काम कर रहे हैं, हमेशा करते रहे हैं और आगे भी करते रहेंगे। लेकिन इसके साथ साथ मैं ये भी जोड़ना चाहूँगा कि पिछले कुछ समय के अंदर जिस तरह से आतंकवादी घटनाएं काफ़ी बड़ी हैं, 10, 11, 12, 13 जून को 3-4 दिन लगातार अलग अलग जगहों पे टेररिस्ट अटैक्स हुए और कठुआ में भी इस तरह से टेररिस्ट अटैक हुए और इसके बाद लगातार 24 जून को, 27 जून को या 3-4 दिन से आपने देखा होगा कि कुलगाम में, चिन्नी गांव में, साउथ कश्मीर के अंदर काफ़ी बड़े ऑपरेशंस चल रहे हैं। सेना ऑपरेशन चला रही है जिसमें हमारे 2 जवान शहीद हुए हैं और कुछ टेररिस्ट भी मारे गए हैं। तो ये एक जो स्पर्ट ऑफ एक्टिविटी जो बढ़ गया है, मुझे समझ में नहीं आता कि हमारे सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट जो है, केंद्र सरकार कहती है कि हमने पूरी तरह से टेररिस्ट एक्टिविटीज़ के ऊपर, J&K की लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सिचुएशन के ऊपर पूरी तरह से काबू पा लिया है। अगर काबू पा लिया है तो पिछले 1 महीने के से भी कम समय के अंदर इतने सारे टेररिस्ट अटैक, आतंकवादी हमले कैसे हो रहे हैं जिसमें हमारे सेना के जवान लगातार शहीद हो रहे हैं।
5 Jawans were martyred and several sustained injuries after an army convoy was attacked by terrorists in Jammu and Kashmir's Kathua. The terrorists hurled a grenade and opened fire at the army vehicles which were on a routine patrol on the Mashedi-Kindli Malhar road. Security forces retaliated to the attack, but the terrorists managed to flee into a nearby forest. The terrorists are believed to have recently infiltrated from across the border. Reinforcements have been rushed to the area to neutralize the terrorists. This is the second major incident in Kathua district in the last 4 weeks. On June 12th and 13th, 2 terrorists and a CRPF Jawan were killed in a fierce gunfight during a search and cordon operation.
4 soldiers of the Indian Army attained martyrdom while 6 others were injured in a terror attack that was carried out by the Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists in the Machedi area of the Kathua district. Today afternoon at around 3:30, the terrorists attacked the Indian Army convoy. However, the attack was retaliated by the Indian Army troops, which led for a brief encounter between the terrorists and the security forces. However, taking the advantage of the dense foliage, the terrorists managed to escape. This is said to be a freshly infiltrated group of Jaish-e-Mohammed that is behind the attack, and it's important to mention that 5 terrorists of Jaish were killed earlier, 2 in the Kathua on May and on the June month, and also 3 in the month of June ending in the Doda district, after which Jaish was trying to carry out major terror strikes. But today when they attacked, though it was averted the large scale casualties, but 4 brave hearts of the Indian Army attained martyrdom during the attack, and now intensified searches are underway for the freshly infiltrated group of Jaish-e-Mohammed in the area.
कि हमारा एक आर्मी का पेट्रोल जो गाड़ियां जा रही थी, उनके ऊपर टेररिस्ट ने मछोड़ी के इलाके में, जो कि कठुआ से 150 किलोमीटर इस तरफ है और घना जंगल का इलाका है, वहाँ पे टेररिस्ट ने एम्बुश लगाया था और सडनली फायर खोला, जिसमें कि हमारे 4 जवान शहीद हुए हैं, 6 के घायल होने की खबर आई है। एकदम काउंटर एक्शन लिया हमारे जवानों ने, उन्होंने टेररिस्ट पे फायर किया जो कि वहाँ से भाग गए हैं और ये अभी प्रिलिमिनरी रिपोर्ट्स हैं, डिटेल्स अभी तक आए नहीं हैं।